Nearly half of Americans earning six figures have nothing left at the end of the month. Nothing. And it gets worse from here. 40% of people pulling in $500,000 a year say the exact same thing. Read that again. $500,000 and still broke by Friday. This is coming for your paycheck too. Not because you spend recklessly, because the money leaks out through cracks you cannot see. There are four of them. The fourth one drains the most, and almost nobody catches it. Start with the number that should scare you. According to Lending Club and Pimmons, 44% of people earning more than $100,000 a year have little or no money left after they pay their monthly bills. NerdWallet found nearly 4 in 10 households above $100,000 say they live paycheck to paycheck. These are not people flipping burgers. These are engineers, nurses, managers, business owners. So where does it all go? Leak number one is lifestyle creep. Your income goes up, your spending quietly climbs right behind it. You get a $20,000 raise, and within a year, that raise has vanished into a nicer car, a bigger apartment, better takeout. You do not feel richer. You feel exactly the same, just with more expensive problems. Goldman Sachs calls this lifestyle inflation, where yesterday's luxury becomes today's baseline. The raise never reaches your savings. It gets eaten before it arrives. And the more you make, the faster it feeds. Which leads straight into leak number two. The paycheck you brag about is not the paycheck you keep. A $100,000 salary does not put $100,000 in your account. After federal tax, state tax, and payroll deductions, your take home can land closer to $70,000. That is $30,000 a year you never touch. You budget your life around a number that only exists on paper. So when the month runs short, you are confused. But the math was rigged from the start. You are spending like a six-figure earner while living on a five-figure paycheck. Feeling that yet? Leak number three is the quiet one: subscriptions. Here's the trap. The average American thinks they spend about $86 a month on subscriptions. The real number is $219. That is a gap of $133 every single month, over $1,600 a year, leaking out on autopilot. Wes Monroe found that 89% of people underestimate what they pay, not because they are careless, because subscriptions are engineered to hide. Small charges, different billing dates, auto renewals timed so you never see them stack. Streaming, apps, that gym you swore you would use, each one feels like nothing. Together, they are a car payment. Now the leak that drains the most. Leak number four is the invisible comparison. You are not spending to survive. You are spending to keep up. Your coworker gets the new phone. Your neighbor parks a new SUV. Your feed shows the vacation you did not take. So you match it on a credit card at 24% interest. This is the leak with no ceiling, because there is always someone one rung higher. Goldman Sachs found that even at $500,000 a year, 40% still feel broke, because they are chasing people who make $1 million. The comparison never ends. It just gets more expensive. Here's the pattern connecting all four. Your problem is not your income. It is invisibility. Every leak works because you cannot see it happening in real time. Lifestyle creep hides inside your raise. Taxes hide inside your salary. Subscriptions hide inside your billing dates. Comparison hides inside your own head. Make them visible and they lose their power. So make them visible today. Write down your real take-home number, the one that actually hits your account, and budget only from that. Cancel 3 subscriptions in the next 10 minutes before you finish your coffee. When your income goes up, move the raise straight into savings before you ever see it. And the next time you want something, wait 48 hours and ask if you truly want it or you just want to match someone. That pause alone can save you thousands. Because here's the truth the six-figure earners learn too late. Making more money does not fix a leaking bucket. It just pours more water through the same holes. Nearly half of them earn a fortune and keep almost none of it. The ones who get ahead are not the ones who earn the most. They are the ones who stopped the leaks. So, which leak is hitting you the hardest right now? Tell me in the comments. And if this made the invisible visible, subscribe to the Smart Stick. More money decoded every week.